Hello everyone, welcome back. Revealing Tech here with another special for you. So as you may know, WWDC started today in San Francisco. Steve Jobs was on stage presenting a variety of things, among which iOS 5, which I'm just about to show you now. So I downloaded the beta version of iOS 5, and for the moment, the lock screen looks as it normally would. They said that we will have a camera button here and the notifications will be displayed on the lock screen, but apparently not in this beta version. The main thing you will see is the fact that we have a new app called Reminders, which basically is just a to-do app, and you can say go to June 23rd and say make video. Okay, return. So yeah, you just add it and then you can scroll about and find a new date. Then we have the newsstand, where you can find all your magazines and newspaper you downloaded from the App Store and I think iBook Store as well, which is quite cool because you have access to them directly. What else? So Apple created a messaging service that can be used between iOS users, and iPad and iPod Touch users can send messages among themselves free of charge. In the camera app, you can see that right now we have a grid which we can activate and deactivate using the options menu. And also, if you hit the up volume button, it takes a picture. So that's pretty cool because you don't have to put grease on your screen anymore. Other features in the music application, you can see that I have many artists and albums that don't have artwork. That's not because I didn't put it, but because I removed the iPad from my MacBook before it synced all the songs, and whenever they will be on the same Wi-Fi again or connected by way of cable, they will be synced automatically, which is quite cool. We have a iTunes Store button which can get you to downloading music and movies and all sorts. The main thing you will see is in the Settings app, well, Utility app, I suppose, and in general you can see, you can check whether there's an update for your OS, and it can be downloaded over the air, so no cables needed for this. For usage, you can see that you can see how much your each of your applications is using, and I think we can even delete the app from here, which is awesome. Okay, so as you can see, I have iCloud and I have 5 gigs free. To manage storage, you can buy more if you want. Obviously, you have the battery percentage. Go back. We have the iTunes Sync, which I just told you about. So it syncs music and stuff over the air, no cables. Apart from this, yes, the multitasking gestures, which would allow you to, like, 4 fingers up, shows you the open apps. That's about it. In iCloud, you can set your things to sync over the internet, or yeah. Okay, Mail has basically the same settings. For Twitter, after you install the Twitter app, it's basically integrated in the OS, and once the app gets modified, you will be able to see the notifications when pulling this thing from up here. And as you can see, I have 2 emails, and if I tap on one of them, it will take me to the Mail app, and I can reply and say, I'm not a fanboy. That should be standard. and now I can exit app with 5-finger pinch. Okay, so back to the settings, and now you can set FaceTime. For Safari we have a few different settings, like private browsing, and that's about it. So messages, again, you can set the email you want to use to text with your iOS user friends. And that's about it. For the store, there's an option to download updates and apps automatically. So that's going to be awesome as well, as you no longer have to connect your iPad to your computer. That should have been done a long time ago. But anyway, it's good that we have it even now. Just one thing, in Safari, as I mentioned Twitter, so you're at this link on our channel, which should by now be your homepage. Click the arrow button and you can tweet, which is cool. Click tweet, and with your default username, it tweets the link, and you can add location and things like that. Cancel. And you can also add to reading list.